Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So for the past year I've been making cards with distress ink blending combination ideas, but you could only see them if you follow me on my blog or watch my YouTube shorts videos or also follow me on Instagram. So I thought that it's time to share some of my distress ink blending combos in my normal horizontal videos. And today I'm going to create a simple birthday card with a sunset sky, and I wanted the colors to be more on the softer side. The distress inks I picked are Mermaid Lagoon, Wilted Violet and Picked Raspberry. I thought I will make this into something like a Polaroid type of thing, simply a Polaroid picture. You can cut it down using a paper trimmer. I just picked a stitched rectangular die and ran it through my die cutting machine, which I did off camera. As you see, I taped the panel onto a board, which is a laminated cardstock. I covered the full bottom just to avoid any mistakes, which I'm sure would happen if I didn't do this. And then I started blending. I started with the Mermaid Lagoon, then the Wilted Violet, and at the bottom I applied the Picked Raspberry, and I worked in layers blending the inks together. I was also applying the colors lightly as I wanted the background to be on the softer side. For the blending, I'm using a blending tool, which is technically a makeup brush, and the paper I'm using is the Canson XL watercolor cardstock. I was blending the inks until I was happy with the look. I think this is a great sunset combination. So the blending of the sky is done. And as I said over on my blog, I have even more ideas, not just for sky. For example, these two are my favorites for the sky. Or these ones are great examples if you just want a simple background. But back to this card, I removed the washi, but I left the one at the bottom for the stamping. I wanted to keep it very simple. I looked through my stash for some solid stamps and I found this one from Clearly Besotted. It is very old stamp set, and I stamped one of the flowers using the VersaFine ink in Onyx Black. Next, I removed the washi at the bottom and stamped the greeting. Again, I went through my stash and I picked another stamp set from Clearly Besotted, and I picked this happy birthday greeting. I think it fits very well. Lastly, I adhered the panel on top of a card base. I picked a grey card base, and I also used a double-sided foam tape, which I don't do too often these days. I don't know, when the panel covers most of the card base, I just don't feel the need to do that. But with smaller panels, I think when it's a little bit raised, I think it gives the card something extra. So the card is finished. I definitely love this Polaroid style and I will be using it more in the future. I hope you will try this blending combo yourself and make sure you check out my other blending combinations. You can watch the playlist that is showing on your screens now or hop over to my blog if you would like to see the photos of the cards. That is all for today. Thank you all so much for watching and I will see you soon.